you to dance. Would you say yes? I could go without you. I just don't want to.
How you doing? Rich Sparks, Keller Williams Realty. Now let's check out 2543 Catalona Street. This is a fantastic ranch property just south of 15 Mile off Little Mac. Check it out, that luxury vinyl plank flooring, brand new throughout the entire house. You have a good size eat-in kitchen, kind of like those corner sinks, so that's pretty cool. But the part you're going to love, and I know I love, is this family room. Let's check it out. But first, we're going to see that vinyl flooring again. It's really pretty vinyl flooring. Okay, the family room, huge, 20 by 21. Cathedral ceiling, recessed lightings. The flat screen TV is going to stay, a gas fireplace. And if you look at this, I love what they did on the sides. It really gives the room a lot of dimension. Plus, you got the bay window over there. Think of the parties you could have. Christmas time. Need a place to hang your stockings? No problems here. Check that out. What a great, great room. This really is. A bay or a sliding door off to the side to take you out to the patio. But let's check out the rest of the house. Now, this house right now has one full bath, 3-bedroom, one full bath. I'm going to show you something in a minute that might be good for the honey-do list to get you 2 full baths. That box right there is for the outside video recording. So there are cameras mounted on the exterior. And here's what I was talking about. You've got this finished basement. They started to put in a second full bath. Finish that puppy up, and now you're going to have instant equity and 2 full baths right across the street from Normandy Park. Don't miss out on this great property. Give me a call. I'm Rich Sparks, Associate Broker, Keller Williams Realty. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye now.